In this video, I will show you how to join the Roblox Store's Discord server. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm currently here on the Discord app, but if you are using the web-based version of Discord, then just follow along as the steps are the same. The first thing you're going to want to do is come to your server list on the left-hand side, and if you actually scroll down, you're going to see a plus button which says add a server. Next, what you need to do is click this button, and that's going to bring up a window that looks like this. If you look at the bottom of the window, you're going to see a message that says have an invite already, and there's going to be a button which says join a server. So what you want to do is go ahead and give that a click. And what you want to do in here is in the invite link box, you want to enter the following, which is discord.gg. And then you want to put a /, and for the next combination, it's a combination of letters and numbers, but you want to make sure all the letters are in capitals. And the combination is as follows: 8TW D9V9. So 8TW D9V9, make sure you enter that into capitals and then click the join server button down here. So what's going to happen is going to take you across to the official Discord server. Now what you want to do first is come across to the left hand side and you want to click onto the verify channel across here. Next, what you want to do is just scroll all the way to the top, and this actually uses a bot called Rover to verify your account. So if you don't have Rover set up, that's no problem. I do have a tutorial on my channel, so if you check out my channel, that's going to tell you how to go ahead and set up Rover. Once you've got Rover set up, all you need to do is click onto the update my roles button here, and after a second, that's going to update, and if you look at the left, we've now got access to all the different channels. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.